Welcome. This is Technic 360, a formidable tech hub that reviews technological insights, breakthroughs, advancements, tools, systems, just virtually everything in the tech space, okay? And in today's video, we'll be looking at powerful AI image generator, okay? So, before we dive in proper, we'll be looking at prompt engineering. Prompt engineering. Okay. So prompt engineering is all about the way you construct, frame your text prompt to be able to get the best result as an image. The kind of image you get depends largely on the kind of prompt assigned to your image generator. So it's very, very important you pay close attention to this video, watch till the end, and go through this file. A link to this file is already in the description section. Do your due diligence by going through this file carefully. And if you have any concerns, you can make use of the comment section. Okay. So the image generator we'll be looking at in this video is Deep AI. Deep AI. A link to this platform is also in the description section. You can copy paste on your browser and navigate your way here, okay? So you can decide to sign up when you get to this page or to just continue anyway. This generator doesn't mandate you to sign up, okay? So let's begin. This where you input your text prompt, okay, or copy and paste. Then you make your settings here. Is that okay? So let's get a prompt from our file. Let's get a prompt. Let's get a prompt from our file. Okay, we have several of them here. Okay, let's make use of this prompt and see how it performs. You copy, then come to your space here and paste. Okay, so once you are done with your prompt, the next thing is the settings. So in this generator, you can choose a model, either standard or HD or standard. Okay, let's go with standard for now. We have Genius. The Genius will be available to you in the subscription plan, although they have a good free plan that you can use to generate as many images as possible. Okay, so if you try out several prompts and the result is good to you, then you can decide to subscribe. Okay, but meanwhile, the free plan is sufficient for normal generation as many images as possible. Talking about preference, is your preference speed or quality? Okay, let's pick speed for now. Then choose a style. If peradventure you have a style in mind, you have 100 plus styles you can pick from. So, but if not, you just leave it at the non selection. For me, I just prefer the generator to choose for me. Then talking about the shape, which shape of image? Will it be a landscape image or portrait or square? Okay, for now, let's pick square, or let's pick this landscape. Okay, so once you are done with your settings, all you have to do is to click generate. Okay, then you click submit. Okay, that's it. That's it. So look at your prompt. Does the image generated align with your prompt? A creepy abandoned mansion. Okay, so that's it. The image generated aligns perfectly well with the prompt assigned to the generator. So this is a very good one. Deep AI image generator. That's it. So if you are good with the image, you click download. You can share from here to other platforms. Talk to image, you can do other things with this image. You can make a video of it. You can further enhance it using talk to image option. As you click it, it will take you to another page where you can do all of that. So let's still try out another prompt. Let's try out another prompt. I have several of them here for you to practice with. Okay, so let's pick another prompt. We'll copy. Okay, then let's override this and paste. Ctrl V. All right, so in the settings, let's pick HD model this time around. Preference, let's pick quality this time around. So there's option to use the old model if you want. Then style, let's still allow the generator to choose. This time around, let's use square shape image. So once you're done with that, you click submit. Okay, wow, that's it. Wow, this is fantastic. This is the prompt: product photo of a juice bottle surrounded by paper waves, quilling style pastel colors, and studio lighting. Okay, that's a wonderful one. A wonderful one. I love this image. So this platform run adverts. That is why you're seeing this at the top page. It runs adverts. But notwithstanding, doesn't stop anything. Wow, I have to download this. I like this image. That's it. I've downloaded it. So your image is all yours. It's copyright free, meaning you can use it on any platform at all. Okay? Yes, any platform at all. So that will be all for now in this video. If you have any concerns, questions, you can use the comment section to do that. Don't forget to go through this file, whose link is already in the description section, including the link to the page Deep AI. Okay, thank you for staying to the end. See you in other video.